Got a minute? Let's talk about how to recover after a storm. Storms can cause major damage, whether it's a hurricane, tornado, or an ice storm. These steps will help you recover. First, call your insurance company and report the damage. Take pictures or video of what you can see. Make temporary repairs to prevent more damage. Keep a list of the repairs and any materials you buy, and save your receipts. Don't make permanent repairs before the insurance adjuster sees the damage. Keep a record of everyone you talk to at the insurance company and be ready to answer their questions about the damage. Ask about additional living expenses. Most policies will cover some costs if you can't stay in your home because it was damaged by a covered loss. Tell the insurance company and adjuster how to contact you. Try to be there when the adjuster visits. And get multiple bids from contractors before you choose one. If you've got questions about insurance, call our helpline or visit our website.